कि सर पे टोपी है, मत कहो कि सर पे टोपी है, कहो सर पे हमारे ताज है, कहो सर पे हमारे ताज है, ये चमन हमारा अपना है।
To start with, I would like to share my condolences for Sharma ji. I know that आप लोग बहुत सारी चीजें शेयर कर रहे हैं, and it was beautiful to listen to the श्रद्धांजलि, the poetry, जो भी आपके दिल की बात है. Thank you so much for sharing that. And the session which we were going to do a session which is called as Mental Health Matters. ये एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसके बारे में अगर हम एक घंटा क्या अगर हम एक साल भी बात करते रहे तो वो कम है. And we all do different things to take care of our health, complete health, and in the best of the capacity. So we are going to do a short session which is related to what we all are feeling today due to the current demise of Sharma ji. So we are going to take a session ahead from there. I will be guiding you. This is the guided meditation session, which means I'll be guiding you at different steps. But at every step, what you will be feeling or whom you will be remembering or what kind of experiences you will be having will be different for all of you. क्योंकि आप सबकी memories अलग हैं, आप सबकी life अलग है, आप सबकी family अलग है, आप जहाँ से आए हैं वो अलग है, आपने जो जिंदगी जी है वो बिल्कुल अलग है. So hence we can't compare the experience to one another. So please bear with me, please be with me. For the meditation session मैं choice आप पे छोड़ूंगा. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप नहीं चाहते दूसरे लोग आपको देखें meditation करते समय, आप अपना वीडियो ऑफ कर सकते हैं, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. जैसे ही सेशन होगा आप वापस ऑन कर पाएंगे. अगर आपको लगता है आपको वीडियो ऐसे ही रखना है, प्लीज डू दैट. माय वीडियो विल बी ऑन थ्रू आउट द सेशन, सो आई विल लीव दैट चॉइस अप टू यू कंप्लीटली. मैं जस्ट फॉर 1 मिनट मैं म्यूजिक और अपनी वॉइस एक बार चेक करना चाहूंगा आप लोगों के साथ. Just check and adjust your phones or laptops volume accordingly so that in between the meditation session आपका ध्यान उस समय ना जाए. Okay, so मेरा बात करने का वॉल्यूम यही रहेगा. Just give me a moment. This is going to be the volume for the music, and this is going to be my volume. This is the volume I'm going to talk at. So I hope this is okay. Please, I'm just playing it for 15 more seconds. और मैं इसी वॉल्यूम पर बात करूँगा थ्रू आउट द सेशन. सो आप अपना वॉल्यूम एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप मेडिटेशन में आंखें बंद की होंगी या खुली होंगी जैसे आपकी मर्जी है, बट आपका ध्यान इस तरफ नहीं जाएगा एटलीस्ट. Great. So I'll just stop the music just for a moment and then we get back to the session. I hope you all have adjusted your mics, your headphones, your phones, your laptops. Just give me a moment, please. मेडिटेशन की कुछ डूज एंड डोंट्स. अगर आपको लगता है आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करने वाले हैं, अगर आप फोन पर हैं, जैसे मैं देख सकता हूँ couple of them, please keep your videos off because it distracts other people. Kundan ji, please put your video off. For the people who do not want to participate, I absolutely recommend you to please put your videos off so that it does not disturb other people who are watching the videos. For the people who are meditating, please choose to sit either on the floor, on the yoga mat, or on a chair, or you can be on your bed or a couch. See that if you're sitting on a chair or bed or couch, both your feet are touching the ground. A meditation is one of the idealist way for you to bring in a lot of awareness, lot of clarity. And Mother Earth, हमारी जो धरती माँ है, it is being considered one of the most beautiful ways to ground ourselves, and hence we put our feet on the ground. Keep your spine as straight as possible for you, but उसको इतना भी रेक्ट मत कीजिए कि आपको दर्द होने लगे या आपको तकलीफ महसूस हो. So please be active and comfortable during the session. अपनी कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से कीजिए. जब भी आपको लगे अगर सेशन के वक्त if it is getting too much for you, is it getting overwhelming for you, always use a technique of breathing in and breathing out. This is one thing God has gifted us beautifully. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर लीजिए, रिलैक्स कीजिए अपने आप को और वापस मेडिटेशन में शुरू हो जाइए. So if any questions regarding the meditation or any technique, if it is very important, you can ask me right now. If it is related to the session, any questions? Great. Gently breathe in and breathe out. Take your positions. In and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out a few times. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए. As you breathe in and breathe out, gently close your eyes. धीरे से अपनी आंखें बंद कीजिए. Relax your hand, relax your feet, relax your spine, relax your shoulders, relax your head. As you breathe in and you breathe out, gently relax your body. जैसे आप सांस अंदर लें, सांस बाहर छोड़ें. अपनी बॉडी को रिलैक्स कीजिए. अपने शोल्डर्स को रिलैक्स कीजिए, अपनी स्पाइन को रिलैक्स कीजिए. हमारे ईयर्स के पीछे, हमारे कानों के पीछे एक छोटे नर्व्स होती हैं, उनको रिलैक्स कीजिए. Keep your hands facing upwards. Feel free to keep it either on your knees, on your thighs, as you feel comfortable. It is absolutely your choice if you would like to take any mudra positions or not. Don't take any mudra positions unless it is needed, because the breathing cycle changes with that. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. Visualize the room where you're sitting in right now. आप जहां पर बैठे हैं, उस रूम को अपने सामने देखिए, महसूस कीजिए. कहां पर क्या चीज पड़ी हुई है, कर्टन कौन से रंग के हैं, जितना आप याद कर सकते हैं. नहीं कर सकते तो कोई बात नहीं. कितना आप याद कर सकते हैं उतना ही कीजिए. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए. आपका रूम कौन से रंग का है, कहां पर क्या चीज पड़ी हुई है, आप कहां बैठे हैं, क्या सोच रहे हैं आप. जाने का रास्ता कहां से है. फ्लोरिंग कैसी है? क्या कुछ स्मेल आ रही है? कुछ सुगंध आ रही है रूम के अंदर? आपका हाथ आपकी बॉडी को टच कर रहा है, फील कीजिए। इस मोमेंट को फील कीजिए, क्योंकि ये मोमेंट वापस फिर से नहीं आने वाला। Enjoy this moment right now. Enjoy the moment का मतलब ये नहीं होता है that हमें हर मोमेंट में खुश रहना है। Enjoy the moment का मतलब होता है that we can respect, accept and acknowledge what we are feeling in that moment. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आप उदास हैं, so उस उदासी को लिव कीजिए। It is beautiful to be sad, and it is beautiful to accept, acknowledge and express your sadness. There is nothing wrong with it. I want you today to accept and express those 5 people whom you miss the most in your life. वो 5 लोग आपकी जिंदगी के जिन्हें आप बहुत मिस करते हैं जिंदगी में। वो नहीं है अभी जिंदगी में आपकी। You miss their presence. They're not there anymore. पहला चेहरा जो आपके सामने आता है, उसे फील कीजिए। वो हो सकता है आपके माता पिता हो, या हो सकता है आपके कोई दोस्त हो, आपके कोई साथी हो। जो भी पहला चेहरा आता है उसे याद कीजिए। जो भी आपने अच्छे पल बताए उनके साथ, वो याद कीजिए। मोस्टली जब इंसान चला जाता है तो बुरी चीजें याद आती नहीं है, अच्छी चीजें याद आती है। So remember the times you have spent with the person. Try to feel the smell of the person. Try to feel the presence of that person. Feel the person holding your hand. कैसा था वो वक्त आपका उनके साथ, उसे महसूस कीजिए। क्या क्या किया उस इंसान ने आपके लिए, और क्या क्या किया आपने उस इंसान के लिए। अगर हंसी आती है तो हंसी उस बात पे, अगर रोना आता है तो रोइए उस बात पे। कोई रोक टोक नहीं कर रहा, कोई जज नहीं कर रहा, कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा। Feel free to feel and express whatever you want to. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. And feel the presence of that one person whom you miss in your life the most. Feel that person right now in your room where you're sitting right now. And share your gratitude towards that person for being in your life. If that's okay with you. Take your time, there is no rush. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. Take your time away from your life, from your regular worries, from regular things, from your regular complaints, from regular no-joke. And give this time to those very few people who matter in your life the most. That's my request to all of you. Once you feel complete with this person, you can move on to the next person. I will not tell you how much time you should give to one person and move to the next person. I will leave that choice up to you. Remember those 5 people in your life whom you miss the most. जिनके साथ आपको अपना वक्त बिताना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. यहाँ पे, इंडिया में, किसी और कंट्री में, doesn't matter. And for everyone, all of them, feel their presence in your life. Feel their importance, how they have contributed for you to become who you have become today. How have they contributed to your life? Something जो आप लोग साथ में मिलके खाते थे, कुछ ऐसा, या टाइम स्पेंड करते थे, हंसते थे, खेलते थे, लड़ाई झगड़े हुए होंगे, बहुत कुछ होता है. Feel the presence of this person whom you're visualizing right now. इस इंसान को अभी इस समय अपने पास महसूस कीजिए और अपना प्यार उनसे शेयर कीजिए. In the spiritual form, we all are there. Nobody's going anywhere. Share. Speak out. If you feel you need to say something to this person, say it out. किसी भी भाषा में बोलो. Once you complete with the person, you can move on to the next person whenever you feel like, whenever you feel complete. कोई रश नहीं है. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए. Completely relax yourself today and share your love, share your sadness, share your beautiful memories here in this moment and express them. हल्की सी हंसी आती है या थोड़े से आंसू टपकते हैं. It's all good. That is what we call mental health matters, because all these important things matter more than every small thing around us. For the ones who are very close to Sharma ji, feel free to feel them, feel him, express your love towards him, feel your sadness towards him, feel good memories, the good times which you have spent with him. Once you feel complete with 3 people or 5 people, whatever you wish to, कोई force नहीं है. I want you to gently breathe in and breathe out. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए. Do it 5 to 7 times. Now slowly I would want you, and if you're comfortable to, if you feel you're still not comfortable, you can take a moment, that's absolutely fine. Whenever you feel comfortable, I would want you to focus towards feeling gratitude towards those 5 people in your life who have been in your life no matter what. वो 5 लोग आपकी जिंदगी में चाहे कुछ हो जाए वहीं के वहीं पे हैं. They have not left you. They have not left your side. They have supported you. चाहे कुछ हो जाए वो 5 लोग हमेशा आपकी जिंदगी में खड़े हैं. मैं चाहता हूं कि आप एक मोमेंट लीजिए, 1 by 1 उन 5 लोगों को याद कीजिए. उनके साथ जो आप अच्छे पल बिता रहे हैं अभी, वो याद कीजिए और अपना ग्रैटिट्यूड उनकी तरफ पेश कीजिए. Let's say thank you to them for being in our lives, for their presence in our lives, for the way they have supported in our lives unconditionally. Feel their presence right now with you. See them in front of you. Talk to them and share how much you love them and share your thankfulness कि वो आपकी जिंदगी में है इस समय. कोई भी 5 लोग जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा. They could be a part of your family or they might not be. I don't know. I will leave that choice up to you. Feel the beautiful memories you have been spending with people who are in your life right now. How they have been supporting you no matter what. How you have been supporting them no matter what. वो हो सकता है आपके फैमिली के कोई इंसान हो सकता है आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हो सकता है आपके साथी हो या कोई और भी हो सकता है. Just see them in front of you, feel their presence, say thank you to them. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. And bring in an attitude of gratitude. Thank you is the only word which can just come out of our mouth for all what is working and not working in our lives. I know it is a little difficult, but we can try sometimes. Bring in your gratitude towards these 5 people who have been in your life no matter what. इन 5 लोगों की तरफ जो भी आपकी जिंदगी में सबसे ज्यादा मैटर करते हैं, उनकी तरफ अपना धन्यवाद पेश कीजिए। जैसा आपको करना है, जिस भी भाषा में करना है, जैसे भी फील करके करना है। And once you feel complete, I want you to gently breathe in and breathe out. अपने हाथ को अपने नीज के ऊपर रखिए, with your palms facing downwards. जैसे आप अपने नीज को पकड़ते हैं ना, वैसे अपने हाथ नीज पर रखिए. Breathe in and breathe out. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए 5 से 7 बार. Breathe in and breathe out. सांस अंदर लीजिए, सांस बाहर छोड़िए. Whenever you feel complete, जब आपको लगता है कि आपको complete लग रहा है उन 5 लोगों के साथ, धीरे से हम वापस आने की प्रक्रिया शुरू करेंगे. We'll slowly start coming back. Slowly relax your hands, move your fingers, move your toes, and slowly start coming back to your breath, to your body, to this room where you're sitting in right now. और जब भी आपको कंप्लीट लगता है, धीरे से वापस आइए और आराम से अपनी आंखें खोलें. Whenever you feel complete, take your own time to come back. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. इस साइलेंस को महसूस करिए. अपने प्रेजेंस के साथ एंजॉय कीजिए. Enjoy this time with yourself right now. And feel free to open your eyes whenever you feel like. Once you're back, I would request you to slowly turn on your videos so that I can see your beautiful faces. Take your own time. Avoid doing any jerky movements, immediate utna, baithna. Once you've come back, be easy with yourself, be gentle with yourself. Take your own time. If anybody would like to say how are they feeling right now, please, you can unmute yourself and let me know in brief, how are you feeling? If you don't feel like talking, it's absolutely normal. It's absolutely okay. I think I was planning to share a lot of different things when it comes to the subject of mental health matters. But I feel on the demise of Sharma ji, I just feel that what we did was more important for us to bring in acknowledgement. So it's just that. Sorry, I got a comment right now. Didn't feel connected. Music was not good with disturbance. I'm sorry that you didn't you enjoy the meditation. I just wanted to put a brief about. Does anybody have any comments, any questions before I move ahead? क्या आप में से कोई कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे या पूछना चाहेंगे?
मैं सिर्फ एक कमेंट करना चाहता हूं कि प्रशांत जी, जब आप आते हैं माइंड इतना स्थिर हो जाता है, जैसे आज बहुत दुखी था और बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने जो मेडिटेशन करवाई, और मैं यही कमेंट करना चाहता हूं और मैं चाहूंगा कि आप हमेशा हमारे साथ आते रहें और हमारे साथ सीनियर्स को योगा कर ये मेडिटेशन करवाते रहें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Savarwal ji. Thank you for including me as a part of this group. Thank you.
मैं सवाल साहब, मैं कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ? सवाल साहब, हाँ जी। अच्छा जी, ऐसा था कि कभी कभी मेडिटेशन के लिए जब बैठते हैं तो कई बार, आज जरा मॉर्निंग से ही रूम पे थे, वो शर्मा जी ध्यान की वजह से फनरल अटेंड कर रहे थे, फिर इसमें चले आए, तो उस मेडिटेशन में थोड़ा सा स्लीपीनेस आ रही थी, स्लीपिंग, आई वाज फीलिंग लाइक स्लीपिंग, यू नो. So but definitely music was going at the back of mind, which gives a pleasant atmosphere. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And it is very, very normal sometimes to feel sleepy. When you feel sleepy, sometimes it is ideal way of doing any meditation in the times we are living right now. Right. Is that if I go for a morning walk, or if I go for a run, or if I go for any exercise, any yoga, any kind of exercise, whatever you love doing, you complete that for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, according जो भी आपकी capacity है, और उसके बाद आप silence में बैठ के meditation कीजिए. The way you will meditate will be far better than just getting up and doing a passive meditation. So hence it is always beautiful to do some kind of physicality also with the meditation, and it really helps. So enjoy. It is absolutely normal to feel sleepy, Geraji, and enjoy the sleepiness. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay. I just wanted to share my screen and discuss in brief about mental health matters. Just give me a moment. I hope you can see my screen. I will just share in brief about mental health. हम सबकी definition mental health की बिल्कुल अलग है, and which is absolutely fine to have that. Now, what constitutes our mental health? We will choose from the menu from the next page. What I want you to do is, इन ये पूरी लिस्ट में से देखिए कि 5 ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आपके मेंटल एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं एक एक करके नाम लूंगा. The first is regular exercise. Second is meditating. Third is spending good time with friends. 5 सबसे जरूरी आपके लिए क्या है? Nurturing relationships within the family. Family के अंदर अच्छे relationships को better करते रहना. Bring in gratitude in everyday living. You start and end your day with a lot of thank you. This doesn't mean that the day has to go perfect. A lot of things in the day might not go according to us. We might experience sadness, we might experience anger, we might experience a lot of fear. Doesn't matter, doesn't mean that we cannot be in gratitude. Both are different things. Next point could be having walks in nature, listening to music, celebrating memories of our loved ones, जैसे आज हमने किया शर्मा जी की याद में. Bring in kindness and compassion in attitude. किसी के साथ भी, चाहे वो किसी भी प्रांत का हो, किसी भी कम्युनिटी का हो, किसी भी कंट्री का हो, उसकी तरफ हम काइंडनेस और कंपैशन सामने शो करें. Any kind of spiritual or religious practices, दोनों अलग होती हैं. Spiritual practices and religious practices might or might not coincide. So दोनों अलग होती हैं. Getting good quality of sleep. Keeping your priorities clear. इसके कहने का मतलब है कि आपको अपनी जिंदगी से क्या चाहिए, आपके लिए आपकी जिंदगी में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो आपको पता है और आप उस मार्ग पर चल पा रहे हैं. Your priorities are very clear what you want in your life. That might not be true for somebody else, but for you it is very important and it is clear. Eating healthy food, taking care of yourself. आप अपनी physicality का, अपनी mental health का, अपनी emotional health का ख्याल रखते हैं. Doing work which you love. A lot of your members for meet and greet या कुछ और काम करते होंगे अपना, जो भी आप वो काम करते हैं, आपको वो काम बहुत पसंद है. Earning money or financial independence. Spending quality time with your kids and or grandkids. Accepting and respecting people. ये बहुत important point है, जो शायद हम today's time हम इसके बारे में बहुत बात करते हैं. We all live in Canada, जहाँ पर 40 से ज़्यादा कंट्री से लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं, रहते हैं. सबके कल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस अलग हैं, स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिसेस अलग हैं, रहन सहन अलग है. How we can accept and respect people irrespective of the country they come in, the community they come from, the languages they speak, holds a big meaning in today's time. And I've written the last one, taking care of your body. And other than these, there could be many more things which could be working for you. And just for your sake, I want you to see what are the 5 most important things which work very well for your mental and physical health. मैं ये स्क्रीन 1 मिनट के लिए रख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. अगर आपको लिखना है या आपको फोटोग्राफ लेनी है या कुछ भी, मैं आपको भेज भी सकता हूँ, कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I can download and send it to Sabharwalji and you can take care and see it later also. Okay.
Why the good sleep was missed?
It's written over there.
Yes, written, but you didn't speak. That's why I'm asking.
I did speak, ma'am.
Sorry.
It's okay. I've covered all the points. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि यही पॉइंट्स सारे हैं, हो सकता है इसके अलावा दूसरे भी पॉइंट्स. ठीक है. So you see what are the 5 most important things for you. Yeah, so for our mental health, it is okay for us to get inspired from other people, but that doesn't mean that जो दूसरे के लिए कुछ चीजें काम कर रही है, हमारे लिए भी वो सेम चीजें काम करेंगी. In the times we are in during the pandemic, जहाँ पर हम बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं कर पा रहे हैं या हमारे करने के तरीके चेंज हो रहे हैं, I would encourage you that आप अपनी लिस्ट बनाइए कि आपके लिए क्या जरूरी है. क्या ऐसी 5 से 7 चीजें हैं जो आपके हेल्थ के लिए बहुत जरूरी हैं और आपको बेनिफिट करती है, आपकी मेंटल, इमोशनल, स्पिरिचुअल एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ की. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू एनकरेज. एनी क्वेश्चंस ऑन दैट बिफोर आई मूव अहेड? किसी को कोई पूछना है सवाल, कुछ शेयर करना है? Shall I go ahead? I'm sure ये आपको पता भी होगा. I just wanted to share it with you.
मैं एक चीज कहना चाह रहा था कि हर एक के जितने भी आपने 5 या 7 पॉइंट पूछे हैं खुशी के लिए, हर एक के अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. हर एक का जीवन अलग स्टाइल से है, हर एक की लाइकिंग डिसलाइकिंग अलग हो सकती है. वही तो आपको प्रेरित करती है मेडिटेशन के लिए या एक्सरसाइज के लिए. बट ये मेडिटेशन, ऑल दैट मेडिटेशन इज फॉर मेंटल कंट्रोल एंड एवरीथिंग इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय माइंड. So this is the gist of that. So what I say, for example, I give my example. Whenever I do all the work as per my plan, and it is done according to my planning, I feel very, very happy and very satisfied. Otherwise, definitely for exercise, because these are the important factors. If, mental exercise, physical exercise, then singing, and so on, so forth, and then communication with the people. That is another very difficult thing. Reason being, because in society, even your own family, particularly at this stage, suppose your children, they have got different thinking, they have got different thoughts, they have different liking. So that difference comes on, then you have to adjust. Adjustment is another important criteria at this age.
Thank you, Veeraji, for sharing your point of view. Thank you. Anybody else? कोई सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे, कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे? Anyone? Okay. When it comes to the short session,
Prashant, I have a question. How to improve the sleep?
How to improve the sleep?
Yeah.
Just take care of things which are disturbing your sleep.
It's like an insomnia kind of thing,
The point is why?
I don't know myself.
You will have to speak to me separately, because I might have a lot of questions I might need to ask you, for which you might not want to answer in front of everyone. So what I will do is I will share my contact details with you. There are some reasons which are physical, and there are some for which you need to go to doctor, and there are some reasons which are mental and emotional.
Lot of physical issues. Physical.
Great. So what I can do is I can speak with you once. If there are times which, and accordingly I can guide you what can be done in your case. So I will share my contact details at the end. Feel free to reach out to me, please. And
thank you. I will.
Prashantji, I have one humble request, please. Now, there are certain, as my sister asked just now, please you discuss in front of everybody which are some common factors with everybody. Because this insomnia, this sleepiness is a problem with many of the elderly people,
Sure. So when I'm just sharing in brief, specifically regarding insomnia, Geraji, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, insomnia is practically different root causes for it. Okay, there are certain root causes which are physical, for which only a doctor or a physician can guide you as to why it is happening for you.
Okay.
Where I am not stepping, I'm not a doctor. I cannot say anything about it.
Okay.
There are other reasons which are mental, emotional, where we are not okay with something is worrying us, we are sad about something, we are depressed about something. There are some things which are bothering us in and out, which is not letting us be awake during the day, and which is not letting us sleep during the night. Reasons could be, मैं आपको बहुत random, I'm just giving general of the clients and the patients I meet. The reason could be, they could be for young people, business अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, नुकसान हो गया business में, stock market ऊपर नीचे हो गया. For lot of senior citizens, I've seen reasons when the kids don't give them respect, when they are not happy with the kind of life they are living, when they feel that they have come all the way to Canada but they're feeling lonely and depressed, when they feel there is a loss of purpose in life, कि मैंने पहले 20-25 साल पढ़ाई की, उसके अगले 30-40 साल मैंने कमाई की, पैसा कमाया, घर बना लिया, बट अभी कुछ पर्पस ही नहीं है लाइफ में, लाइफ खत्म हो गई है. बट लाइफ खत्म नहीं हुई है. Loss of purpose in life, according to me, is one of the major reasons for you to feel tired, you will feel sad, you will feel depressed. You will not feel like going out for a walk. You will not feel like going, and if I play a music, you will not feel like jumping and dancing. लेकिन क्या हम जब पैदा हुए थे, क्या हम ऐसे थे? एक बच्चे को यहाँ पे लाके खड़ा कर दीजिए, 3-4 साल 5 साल का बच्चा, कोई म्यूजिक लगा दीजिए, डांस करना शुरू कर देगा. Because that is how we were, that is how we are. But the incompletion we feel inside, the loss of purpose of life we feel inside, the loss of respect from our family members we feel, becomes one of the major reasons. A lot of people come from different countries and they come to Canada, they go to Australia. I have come from India. I feel I miss my family. There were times in the first 6 months I was not able to sleep. I was missing my family and my ecosystem, my network, my spiritual places where I used to visit, my teacher, my friends, my family members. मैं सबको मिस करता हूँ. But सब लाइफ तो ठीक ही थी. घर है, पैसा है, काम है. So for somebody to feel कि आपको रात को नींद क्यों नहीं आ रही है, there is no one reason to it. But I might ask 20 questions for you to figure out that what is not working in your life and what is actually bothering you. We all have some things which we are not okay with, which we don't want to address. अभी किसी का बेटा या बेटी उनसे बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, या रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दे रहे हैं, या इज्जत नहीं दे रहे हैं, या टाइम नहीं दे रहे हैं. अभी इस बात को हम इग्नोर करते रहते हैं, अरे कोई नहीं, बच्चा बिजी है, चलता है, काम बहुत बिजी है. बट अंदर से मन करता है वो मेरे सामने आया तो मैं उसके कान के नीचे रख दूं एक. लेकिन वो हो नहीं पाता ना. अभी उसी में 20-25 साल निकल जाते हैं और रातों की नींद खराब हो जाती है. मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ. एक किसी का बिजनेस नहीं चल रहा है, अभी वो बेचारा कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, बट वरी है, पैसा लगा है, इतने लोगों की जॉब्स हैं, कैसे घर चलेगा, वरी है, नींद नहीं आती है. So for somebody to feel insomniac, there could be various reasons, but there are some physical reasons also. Genuinely, there could be a physical issue for which a physician or a doctor can tell you that, hey, because of this particular issue, you are not getting sleep, take this medicine, or you need to do this, and you will start getting better sleep. But in most of the cases, what I have experienced is your mental and emotional reasons, your relationship issues are the prime factors. Or second could be the loss of purpose of what you do in life now. Your life is not finished, sir. Even if it could be 60, 70, 80, your life is not finished. So create a purpose in that case. Purpose doesn't mean always to earn money. Purpose means to have a purpose to live in life. So in brief, I've just shared when it comes to insomnia. And there could be much deeper reasons to it.
Thank you very much.
You're absolutely welcome. I will share one of the very important things right now, which I wanted to share at the end. So by education, by training, by experience, I am a meditation teacher. I am a Reiki practitioner and a teacher. And I do transformation seminars, which I've been blessed by my teachers and my training to be done for the last 10 to 12 years. And now you will get my son's voice from background because he has just come back from school. He will come and jumping inside. So please don't mind that. Just a moment, please.
Prashant, may I ask your teacher's name, please?
Sure. So I've been trained by various teachers. My first teacher was Carl Everding. He was a German teacher. Carl Everding. He passed away in 2002. And after that, I have had the blessing of having various teachers. My second teacher was Krishna Das, who lives in US, and he's been a teacher of Neem Karori Baba. My third teacher is Prasad Karmakar, who lives in Bombay. He had the transformation seminars he does in Bombay. My next teacher is Varsha Makhija, Varsha Morani now, and she also lives. So they are my teachers. I was in between not doing my Reiki seminars because of the pandemic issues and all. I hope you can hear me. It's showing my internet connection is unstable. I hope you can hear me here. Can you hear my voice?
Thank you for sharing.
You're welcome. So I will be doing, just a moment, sorry. So I do Reiki seminars. This is going to be the Reiki 1 seminar and a mental health seminar, which I will be doing on 6th of November. which is a Saturday. It is going to be a one-day seminar from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And Reiki is a Japanese healing technique. We'll be talking about Reiki. We'll be doing meditations. I'll be helping you to learn meditation so that you can even practice on your own at your home. You'll be initiated for Reiki so that you can practice Reiki on yourself and others also. We are going to do that. It is going to be a certification where you are given a certificate at the end of the seminar by me. And how Reiki helps is related to your question regarding insomnia also. If it is related to only your mental and emotional health, it enhances your quality of sleep, is what I have experienced. I used to be crazy with studies, my work and my business. And I practically went through months of issues where I was not able to sleep. I'm talking about 15 years back, 17, 18 years back rather, when I got initiated for Reiki. And it helped me. It helps you to promote emotional and mental well-being. It helps you to relax yourself. It helps you to bring in better relationships with your family and friends. It brings in more positive outlook towards your life. And a lot of different benefits, including improving focus, especially for kids who are studying, it brings in much more calmness. It enhances better sleep for people. A lot of times, it has been used sometimes if someone is feeling any kind of pain, any kind of issues in their body, it helps them to enhance the recovery process in that. So, of course, I cannot talk in detail about Reiki. It's a whole seminar. But in case you have any questions, I am just sharing my number, my email address, and my website address here. Sabharwalji also has my contact details. This seminar, which is going to happen here, this is not going to be a free seminar. It is an open seminar for very limited people because I cannot take more than 6 to 8 people at a time due to pandemic. Even though I have a decent hall, but I'm not able to take because of, you need to practice, you need that social distancing here there. So the fees for this seminar is $150. In case you are interested or anybody you know is interested, feel free to reach out to me. The person who is interested always need to speak to me once before coming. I need to tell them what happens in the seminar, and only after we both do okay to each other is when you have to pay the fees. And you cannot book for 5 people and come there. It's not like that. So it's a very individual and a very detailed seminar, and Reiki has practically changed my life beautifully. And I know that it is a beautiful therapy for people. So yeah, if you feel you have any questions or you would like to share anything, feel free to let me know. Any questions, or if you have any thoughts, please feel free to share before I say thank you and say a goodbye to each other.
प्रशांत जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much. I always say from the core of my heart, whenever you come, we get a lot of energy from your talk, and in future also we'll keep on meeting. And I'll pass on your link and mobile and email address with the members. Anyone of them, if they are interested, they will contact you. And you are most welcome. You are a part of this club. So
thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It was today we all were very sad, and brought some mental peace when we had sat for this meditation.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you very much. So kind of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for everyone. And again, my condolences for Sharmaji. May wherever he is, his soul is blessed with a lot of peace, a lot of happiness. He should be celebrating wherever he is. And we can keep expressing our sadness towards that. And it's a good thing to do that.
Thank you very much.